Hello, my fantastic fourth graders. I miss you. Today, we are going to look at and talk about some things that we have already learned. None of this is brand new. It's just reminding you, you already know how to do this. So let's do this. Some fractions. All right. So our first question today is, Miss Pence walked on a track that was 1/4 or 1/4 mile in length. That's not a question. That's a statement. Miss Pence walked on a track. Have you ever seen a track? I'm thinking a track, like around a football field or around a soccer field. Oh, like that? Yeah, there's a track. All right, so if I go all the way around that track, I've run or walked or jogged 1/4 of a mile. Okay, great. Oh, she walked around the track 5 times. Oh, I didn't just walk once? No. I walked around that track 5 times. Okay, so there's still no math question. Can you predict what I'm going to ask? Oh yeah, you know it. Okay, so let's see. Is your prediction correct? Drum roll. Find the total distance that Miss Pence walked. Did you predict? Yeah, because you're awesome. Okay, so let's see. If I walked around the track 1 time, I would have walked 1/4 of a mile. Yeah? But I didn't just walk 1 time. I walked 5 times. So let's see. I walked 1 lap, and then I walked another lap, and then another lap, and then another lap. And writing this with my finger is really hard. And then another lap. Those are supposed to be plus signs. Okay, so let's see. 1/4 a mile, 2/4, 3/4, 4/4, 5. Oh, okay, so I walked 5 laps. So 1/4 plus 1/4 plus 1/4 plus 1/4 plus 1/4. Okay, so I could write it like that. Or I could see, let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 groups of 1/4 is another way I can think about it. Repeat addition is the same as multiplication. Now, if I remember how to add, yay. If I remember how to multiply, yay. But if I'm not sure what my answer is, I can use a model. So I can think about it. For fractions, I can always go back to my candy bar. And I can make a candy bar that's partitioned or split into fourths. Okay, so the first lap, 1/4 of a mile. Oh, I wasn't done. To another lap. There's my second lap. Oh, here's my third lap. And my 4th lap. Ooh, I didn't just go around 1, 2, 3, 4 times. I ran around 5 times. So, what do I need to do? I need another candy bar. Or in this case, I need another mile. So here's another mile. So let's see. 1 lap, 2 laps, 3 laps, 4 laps, and 5 laps. So to find my total answer, or to find my total distance, I can count them up. You can say 1/4, 2/4, 3/4, 4/4, 5/4. Or what is another way to say 5/4? If I look at my candy bar, my miles, I can see 1 whole mile and an extra 1/4, or 1 and 1/4. Yeah? I agree. Give me an I agree. Yeah? Find the total distance that Miss Pence walked. Miss Pence walked miles. Did you fill in the blank? Good job, guys. You're awesome. All right. So that was me walking. What about you? Are you doing a lot of eating right now? Yeah, me too. All right. So Kareem, he loves pizza. So here's a story problem about Kareem. Kareem loves pizza. He would eat pizza for breakfast, lunch, and dinner if he could. Predicting. Yesterday he did. He ate 3/4 pizza, 3/4 of a pizza for each meal. Oh, he's so lucky. Okay, so what are you predicting the question's going to be? How much pizza did Kareem eat yesterday? Oh, good job, guys. Okay, so what are you going to do first? Maybe make a model? Maybe write an equation? Either one. So I'm thinking I'm just going to take what I know. I know that he's going to eat breakfast, so I'm going to write a B. I know that he's eating lunch, so I'm going to write an L. And I know he's going to eat some dinner, so I'm going to write a D. Breakfast, lunch, dinner. Cool. All right. So how much did he eat for lunch? Ooh, sorry. Breakfast. How much did he eat for breakfast? 3/4 of a pizza. How much did he eat for lunch? 3/4 of a pizza. How much did he eat for dinner? 3/4 of a pizza. And we can say, we can repeat add 3/4 plus 3/4 plus 3/4, or we can use our multiplication. 3 groups of 3/4. Now, oftentimes, here's something that is very, 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 very common that kiddos do. They'll say, okay, here's 3/4, 1/4, 2/4, 3/4. Here's 3/4, 1/4, 2/4, 3/4. Here's 3/4, 1/4, 2/4, 3/4. Cool, that's totally accurate. 3 groups of 3/4. I see it. 1 group, 2 groups, 3 groups of 3/4. And then I can count it. 1/4, 2/4, 3/4, 4/4, 5/4, 6/4, 7/4, 8/4, 9/4. It equals 9/4. And that is 100% accurate. But if you're having a hard time figuring out its or name, here's another strategy to consider. All right, so here's one other thing you can do. Instead of drawing a new pizza for each and every part, you can say, all right, here's his first pizza. For breakfast, he ate 1/4, 2/4, 3/4. Check. But then you can say, okay, but for lunch, he doesn't want to waste a pizza. He's going to finish this pizza and then get another one. 1/4, 2/4, 3/4. That was lunch. Check. And then for dinner, he's going to get in trouble if he just throws this part of the pizza away. So he's going to eat that. 1/4, 2/4. Oh, he needs another pizza. 3/4. You still have 9/4. 1/4, 2/4, 3/4, 4/4, 5/4, 6/4, 7/4, 8/4, 9/4. But this way, this picture, this really, really messy picture, allows you to see your or name, the other name for 9/4, which is 1 whole, 2 wholes, and 1/4. So 9/4 or 2 1/4. How much pizza did Kareem eat yesterday? Kareem ate pizzas yesterday. Yeah? How'd you do? Okay. All right. So now, ooh, my face is in the way for one of these questions. So now you try. Here are 2 questions for you to try out. You can pause. You can mute me. I'm not going to give you enough time with me on this, but you can pause it and you can try it out. All right. Oh, there I go. Now I'm smaller and I've disappeared and you can actually read the question. So pause it, try them out, get some scratch paper, get your notebook. And when I see you this week, zoom in here and there, we will check out these problems. All right. And a bunch of others. I miss you. I love you. Stay safe, stay well, and I will Zoomify with you this week.